In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use DirectX 12 in games. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up DirectX 12 in games is extremely simple. As long as you have the latest version of DirectX 12 and it is supported by your hardware, it is going to be an option available in most newer titles. Older titles might or might not have DirectX 12 compatibility. One example is GTA 5. In that game, you will not be able to use DirectX 12, and usually, even if you do some sort of modding or workaround, there is no benefit to be had with DirectX 12. But with that talk out of the way, what you have to do in most games to use DirectX 12 is to head into the settings. So for this example, I'm going to showcase Fortnite. If you go into the settings of any games, and this is going to differ slightly for all of them, so I cannot give you clear instructions on how to access the video settings for the game that you are looking to play with DirectX 12, you will find the DirectX 12 or rendering mode setting. So inside of Fortnite, as soon as you go into the settings, you are going to find the video category, and under the display is where you can find rendering mode. This is the setting associated with the API being used for the graphics. And like I said, you will find DirectX 12 here. For most newer titles, it is going to be available right away. And if your PC has top-end hardware, it is newly built, you should have DirectX 12 as the default on most games that you open for the first time. If it is not set as default, just go ahead and manually change it. Here is a brief description of DirectX 12 if you are curious as well. Now, I'm not going to change this now, but for most games, immediately upon applying, you are going to have to restart your game for the effects. So it might take some time to load again, but once it does, after it has been done constructing the new shader cache and setting up the environment, the shaders, etc., you are going to be able to play using it. Now, another example of game that supports DirectX 12 is Borderland 3. I'm not going to showcase in this video because it's going to take a while to load, but once again, you simply have to go into the video settings and you will find it there. For some games on Steam and Epic Games, you can also right-click them, go into the properties, and add the DX12 on the launch options. This is going to force the game to launch into DirectX 12. So remember what I said. Older titles that do not have DirectX 12 built into them will not allow you to run them using that specific rendering mode, but for newer titles, this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to use DirectX 12 in games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.